In a quiet mountain village nestled within the heart of Indonesia, families engage in a truly unique tradition. They exhume their deceased relatives. This isn't a morbid act, but a profound ritual where they lovingly dress them, meticulously clean them, and even pose for cherished selfies with them, bridging the gap between life and death in a remarkable way.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Cael, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Does this sound unsettling or perhaps even a little creepy to you? Well, for the Torajan people who inhabit the island of Sulawesi, this practice is far from horror. It is, in fact, a deeply ingrained expression of enduring love and respect for their ancestors. It's a testament to their unique cultural perspective on the continuum of existence. Every few years, these families participate in a significant festival known as Nene, which translates to the ceremony of cleaning corpses. This isn't merely a ritual, it's a vibrant community event where the dearly departed are brought out from their resting places. And trust me, the reality of this ceremony is far more nuanced and heartfelt than any initial assumptions might suggest. The Torajans reside in the breathtakingly lush highlands of South Sulawesi, Indonesia, a region where the concept of death is fundamentally different from many other cultures. Here, death is not perceived as a definitive ending, but rather as a temporary pause, a transitional phase in a much longer journey. This belief shapes their entire approach to life and the afterlife. For centuries, the Torajan people have held a profound belief that life and death are not separate entities, but exist on one continuous, interconnected spectrum. When a loved one passes away, they are not considered truly gone. Instead, they are merely resting, still very much a part of the family and community, awaiting their next phase of existence. Funerals in Toraja are anything but gloomy, one-day affairs. They are elaborate, full-blown community festivals, often extending for several days or even weeks, transforming grief into a collective celebration of life and remembrance. These events are central to Torajan social and spiritual life, bringing families and villages together in a grand display of tradition. These extensive funeral ceremonies are a rich tapestry woven with ritual, heartfelt reunion, and notably, the sacrifice of water buffalo. In Torajan culture, a buffalo holds immense spiritual significance, believed to serve as a crucial VIP ticket, guiding the soul of the deceased on its sacred journey to the afterlife, ensuring a smooth transition. Then comes the Nene festival, typically observed every few years, often in August or September after the harvest. During this profound ceremony, families respectfully reopen the tombs, carefully lift their ancestors, meticulously clean their bodies, and dress them in new clothes. In some instances, they even gently walk them around the village, a deeply symbolic act of continued connection. No, seriously, it's not just a figure of speech. They genuinely take their redressed ancestors for a stroll through the village paths. This act is performed with utmost reverence and care, symbolizing the enduring presence of the deceased within the community and their continued participation in family life, even after death. It is a deeply held belief that by demonstrating such meticulous care and attention, the bond between the living and the dead remains exceptionally strong and vibrant. In return, the ancestors are believed to bestow blessings upon the family, ensuring harmony, prosperity, and good fortune for their descendants, reinforcing the reciprocal nature of their relationship. You can truly think of it as the world's most heartfelt and unique family reunion, a gathering where generations, both living and deceased, come together. The only difference is that the most honored guests, the ancestors, are remarkably quiet, yet their presence is profoundly felt and cherished by all. You might naturally wonder, how are these bodies able to remain so remarkably intact and well preserved over such long periods? The secret lies in a combination of factors: Toraja's naturally cool mountain air, the application of traditional embalming herbs, and the meticulous, multi-layered wrapping techniques passed down through generations, all contributing to this extraordinary preservation. The region's dry climatic conditions play a crucial role, naturally slowing the process of decay. Over countless generations, families have perfected and maintained these preservation methods, almost elevating them to a sacred art form. This dedication ensures that their loved ones remain recognizable and present, a testament to their enduring cultural practices. This remarkable practice is a fascinating intersection where scientific principles meet profound cultural traditions. It's a delicate balance of chemistry, understanding natural preservation, and deeply embedded cultural beliefs, all wrapped together in an overwhelming expression of love and respect for their ancestors, creating a truly unique phenomenon. Today, the Nene festival has garnered significant global curiosity, drawing attention from around the world. While some observers may perceive it as strange or even macabre, many others view it as a powerful reminder of the diverse and deeply personal ways different societies process grief, honor memory, and maintain connections with their past. But for the Torajan people, at its core, this festival is fundamentally about gratitude, a profound appreciation for the ancestors who laid the foundations, built the communities, and shaped the lives that their descendants now live. It's a continuous cycle of respect and remembrance, ensuring their legacy endures. And honestly, if you can still manage to make your grandma proud, even after she's been gone for 20 years, by meticulously caring for her remains and including her in family gatherings, that truly demonstrates an unparalleled, next-level form of family loyalty and enduring affection that transcends the boundaries of life and death. In Toraja, the profound and enduring love for family doesn't simply fade away with death. Instead, it continues to thrive, finding unique and beautiful expressions, such as getting dressed up and celebrated once in a while, ensuring that the bonds of kinship remain unbroken and cherished through generations.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.